Righteous Rockers Movement in association with Undiluted Music presents the Righteous Rockers Music Festival on Saturday, June 28, 6 p.m. sharp, featuring live from Kingston, Jamaica, Luciana the Messenger, Minister Marion Hall, formerly known as Lady Saw, Queen of the Dance Hall, the sensational Mafia Providence,
if your hands are anointed,
his own Wayne Stoddard, the Righteous Rockers Roots Man, also featuring Lionel Tate, Brilliant, Steve Stoddard. It's all going down at Crossover Church, 1235 East Fowler Avenue, Tampa, Florida. It's the summer music experience of the year, and it's gonna be fire. June 28th, don't forget the date, don't be late. For more information, call 954-917-7983 or visit us at RighteousRockersMusicFestival.com.